Toyota Motor Corp has finally taken the wraps off the all-new Harrier SUV. In its fourth generation now, the new model will be launched in Japan later this year. The original Harrier was launched in the late 90s and went on to form the base of the Lexus RX. Underpinning the Toyota Harrier is the much-publicized TNGA platform, which is common to all global models from the Japanese car maker. It also comes with a much more dynamic design than the model it replaces, with a highly attractive coupe-ish roofline and a highly raked rear windscreen. The new Harrier has a front view that emphasizes its sharp styling through the continuity of lines flowing from the front upper grille through to the headlamps. Despite a simple structure, the side view offers a dynamically changing body cross-section. The combination of a narrowed coupe cabin with sports car-like wheel housings extending from both sides of the body gives a generous ruggedness to the rear view. The SUV also gets a thin, sharp line of tail lamps and stop lamps. The new Toyota Harrier will be available in 7 color options, including precious black pearl. Inside, the Toyota Harrier gets leather upholstery, and the highlight of the dashboard is a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment unit that is positioned above the center console. The air condition controls are positioned at a lower position and come in the form of a touch-sensitive panel. The instrument console features twin dials and a large MID positioned in between them. The equipment list includes a JBL audio system, an electrochromic panoramic sunroof, safety sense collision mitigation system, JBL audio system, and 100-volt AC 1500-watt accessory power outlet on the hybrid model. The new Gen Harrier will be sold with petrol and hybrid powertrain options. Also, it will be available with an optional 4-wheel drive system. The regular version will come with a 2.0-liter direct injection 4-cylinder unit that belts out 171 horsepower and 207 Newton meters. The motor comes mated to a CVT. The hybrid version draws power from a 178 horsepower 2.5-liter engine that works in tandem with an 88 kilowatt electric motor. In 2-wheel drive mode, it will take the total power output to 218 horsepower, while in 4-wheel drive mode, there's another 40 kilowatt electric motor that powers the rear axle, thereby lending it a virtual all-wheel drive system. The total power output stands at 222 horsepower. The hybrid system comes mated to a CVT.